Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Wild Goose, a tiny hamlet not far from Thunder Bay, Ontario. This peaceful spot gets its name from the wild geese that used to gather here in huge flocks during their spring and fall migrations. Back in the early 1900s, Wild Goose was a stop along the railway, serving the small farming and logging communities in the area. The land around here is full of marshes, lakes, and quiet forests where geese and other birds still come to nest. Whether you're passing through or just stopping to take in the fresh northern air, Wild Goose is a place that reminds you to slow down and enjoy the simple things. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Wild Goose, Ontario. Thanks for watching.